Our next awardee for Outstanding Civic Leader, Mr. Narvin B. La Chica, immediate past President, Philippine Association of Local Government Accountants, Incorporated.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interest of its clientele. Given on the occasion of the 8th MCLE Accredited National Convention of Public Attorneys.
Let us now hear the message of our awardee, Mr. Narvin B. La Chica.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, PAO Chief, and belated happy birthday to our public attorneys and fellow workers in the government. A pleasant afternoon. The Philippine Association of Local Government Accountants is the national association of all city, municipal, and provincial accountants. Our vision is to unite all accountants in the entire Philippines and to be an indispensable partner in nation building. Our mandate, one of our mandates is to capacitate government officials, particularly barangay officials, in matters of local finance and administration. In 2022, we had conducted geographical conferences across the country, in different parts of the country, covering 21,000 barangay officials. That was also a platform to promote PAO's mandate of free legal access to courts to qualified litigants. We also had a MOA with PAO for free legal assistance to all accountants in the entire country and their staff. There were a number of accountants that has availed of this facility. And in fact, they were coming from 4th class, 5th class, and 6th class municipalities. Malaki po ang tulong ng MOA with PAO sa aming mga accountants. And with that, we would like to thank the different PAO lawyers who had attended our fellow accountants. Maraming salamat po. This award is an affirmation that we are on the right track. This will serve as a challenge and an inspiration. A challenge to serve more and an inspiration to do better. Thank you and mabuhay ang Public Attorney's Office.
Once again, awardee for Outstanding Civic Leader, Mr. Narvin B. La Chica.